And still talking health, the Nigeria Center for Disease Control and Prevention, NCDC, has confirmed 3 additional deaths from Lassa fever, bringing the total number of fatalities in 2025 to 155. According to the agency's latest situation report covering week 29 from July 14 to 20, 2025, a total of 822 confirmed cases have been reported so far this year, spanning 105 local government areas across 21 states. The current case fatality rate stands at 18.9%, marking a noticeable increase from the 17.1% reported during the same period in 2024. The NCDC highlights that 89% of all confirmed cases originated from just 5 states: Ondo, Bauchi, Edo, Taraba, and Ebonyi, underscoring the persistent regional concentration of the disease. The number of newly confirmed cases remained unchanged from the previous week, with all new infections recorded in Ondo and Edo states. Notably, no new cases were reported among healthcare workers during the review period. The report also pointed to a year-on-year decline in both suspected and confirmed cases when compared to 2024. In response to the outbreak, the NCDC reassures the public that the National Lassa Fever Technical Working Group, a collaborative multi-sectoral response team, continues to lead nationwide containment effort. The agency urges Nigerians to maintain proper hygiene, avoid contact with rodents, and seek prompt medical attention if symptoms occur. Away from health, let's talk agriculture. Meet Borno farmers who till the land and bring forth the harvest that feed their communities and beyond. But for them, reaching their farmlands on time is always a challenge. Hours spent walking to farmlands and carrying heavy load have taken a toll on their bodies and their livelihood. But now, thanks to the Borno State government's Free Farmers Transport Initiative, farmers no longer have to trek for hours, easing the burden of transportation and renewing hope for a more productive harvest season. Pauline Kudivana will talk us through this.
With farming tools in hands and hope in their hearts, the farmers head to their fields with renewed enthusiasm, ready to till the soil, plant the seeds, and reap the fruit of their labor.
Getting trip transport and coming back, we really enjoy and we really appreciate the state government.
We will make sure that we farm and produce many food.
This is the 4th year this initiative is providing pickup vans, golf wagons, open-body tricycles and Borno Express buses to convey farmers daily from the city to their farmlands and back completely free of charge. On average, each farmer saves between 500 and 1,000 naira daily in transport costs, a significant relief in today's economic climate. The scheme, which officially commenced over the weekend, is expected to run throughout the rainy season until the harvest period. Each day, the farmers are conveyed early in the morning under the protection of a combined team of security operatives and allowed to work on their farmlands for about 7 to 8 hours before being transported back to the city.
Many who had abandoned farming have now returned thanks to the governor's initiative. With this free transportation, we can now go to our farms with ease without the burden of transport cost or security threat.
My farmland is nearby, but before now, I used to spend 400 naira daily on transport. We are very happy. My family and I will now be able to save a lot of money.
The state government has engaged us and we are grateful to be earning a steady income to sustain our businesses and livelihoods. We sincerely thank the government.
Commissioner for Youth, Sport and Poverty Alleviation, who also serves as chairman of the Free Farmers Transport Initiative, Sayin Abuba, commended the unwavering commitment of the security forces in providing cover for the farmers and urged the beneficiaries to adhere strictly to the scheduled closing time, has approved by security personnel to ensure smooth and safe operations throughout the farming season.
Every year, the state government is spending 216 million naira for the cost of transportation. So I'm using this chance to call on all the farmers to ensure that we plant plants like sorghum, maize and millet. I have observed that most of the people want cash crop. If everybody goes and plant cash crop, that means at the end of the exercise, we may not get what we want to feed.
The Free Farmers Transport Initiative is one of the state government's ongoing efforts to revive agrarian livelihoods, strengthen food security, and cushion the economic impact of insurgency and displacement in Borno State.